Hi everybody! Today I'll show you how you can generate pictures of your favorite character with Stable Diffusion. If you still need to install Stable Diffusion, take a look at my installation guide in the info card. Well, let's start! What we need for this is called a Lora. Alternatively, you can also use Lycoris, which basically does the same thing. Well, let me show an example using this character Lora.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, play the game, bro. Never stop.
As you can see, I can create different versions of the same characters. Hoshino Ai, in this case, from the anime Hoshino. If you want to do this, don't forget to change your checkpoint to an anime checkpoint. You can find everything about checkpoints in this video. Generally speaking, they're not only character Loras, but also effect Loras, like this one. Here you can see an example of what this effect Lora can do. Let's briefly talk about Lycoris. They are very similar to Loras, but they have a greater impact on the picture, like changing the coloration or style. Now let's move on to the technical part. All checkpoints in Loras that were trained the same way, that is, use the same base model, can be combined. Everything starts, as always, with a download. You can find Loras in our Discord, link in the description box below. Choose either the tag Lora or Lycoris under Models. Base models too are tagged. SD 1.5 stands for Stable Diffusion Base Model 1.5. If you activate this inactive tag up here, Loras and checkpoints will be displayed with the corresponding base model. Base model 1.5 Loras only work with SD 1.5 checkpoints. Well, let's download. At Civit AI, you'll see this base model. Remember to avoid pickle pencils because of possible viruses. After the download is finished, open Stable Diffusion, then go to Models, then Lora, and put your Lora there. With that, your Lora is ready. Which brings us to the practical application. Loras and Lycoris are used in the same way. Click this red button, which will open a new area with different tabs. Choose Lora and then your asset. Your asset is now listed up here in the prompt section. And you can adjust your Lora's strength here. In my opinion, 1 is way too strong. I think somewhere between 0.3 and 0.8 is more reasonable. You can use several assets like Loras at the same time. Now, about prompts. Loras and Lycoris have trigger words most of the time, and you need to add these to your prompt in order to activate them. You can find them here while downloading. Civit AI Helper is a really helpful tool for this. Do a scan after installing it, press the red button to navigate to your Lora, and then the blue refresh button to activate Civit AI Helper. Then move your mouse over the lower area of your Lora, click the light bulb icon, and with that the trigger words have been added. If that was too quick, check our Discord server. You can find all the steps under Extension and Civit AI Helper. Now, combine your Lora with good positive and negative prompts, and you can generate any character you want. Prompts are super important to get good results. That's why my next video in this playlist will be about prompts and general settings in text-to-image. You can find this video here on the left and the Stable Diffusion Basics playlist here on the right. Have a good day, everyone, and thanks for watching.